show you how to use this new app that we will be using in the atelier to take our pictures for the YouTube channel. This app is called My Story, and you have it on the iPads in your classroom also. This app is amazing because it lets you tell your story your own way. Let me show you how to use it. Okay, so down at the bottom is the tool that you can use to tell your story. We're going to skip this first one for now and look at the pencil. So when I press the pencil, this box opens up and it's telling me with these 4 dots that there's 4 different screens in this box. So the first one says shapes, the next one says background images, the next one says background colors, and this one says brushes and erasers. So since I have a white canvas, I'm going to choose the paintbrush and I'm going to choose a contrast color so I'll be able to see what I'm drawing. I'll choose blue because that's my favorite color, and see, I can make a line, or I can choose a different size line and it'll be bigger. If I don't want those lines on my picture, then I can press this arrow at the top. It looks like it's pointing backwards. It means undo the last thing. So I press it and the big line goes away. Or I can also use the eraser. And I just draw over the line the same way or backwards from the way I drew it. And now I have a blank canvas again. So let's see. The next page says background color. Let's see if I choose blue. Oh, it changed the whole canvas from white to blue. So I can change it to orange, pink, whichever color I want. Let's see. Background images. Okay, it changed the whole canvas. A fall tree. Are there any more seasons? Yep, that's winter. See all the snow? What else is here? Oh, I noticed that there is a symbol for a camera. What happens if I press that? Oh, okay, here is, these are the elephants that I was taking pictures of earlier. So let's see, I'm going to put them all in a straight line and take the picture. Wait, let me retake that. Here's the retake button. That means start over. And I'm going to move the baby elephant. There we are. And take the picture. Use the photo. Oh, okay, so the whole canvas changed to the picture that I just took. But I was using this green screen in another app where you can take the background out. So I'm going to press this picture in the frame because that means I can find photos that I've taken before. So I took the green out in one picture, here it is, and I put a snowy background there. So now we see the same 3 elephants in a line with snow falling from the sky and they're walking. Oh, it's so cold. So let's see, did I use all of the screens? Oh no, there's one more. There's one more screen. Okay, shapes. Let's see, a circle. And I'm going to choose white because I want to make a moon. Let's see. Wait, that's too big. It's covering the elephant. That's too skinny. That's an oval. Okay, there we are. Now, it's a full moon. So now that we used all the tools, the shapes, the background images, the background colors, and the brushes and erasers, close this box. I'm going to check over here because I see the same symbol, a picture in a frame. So let's see when I open it up. Okay. There's lots of different stickers that I can use. So I'm going to choose this owl. Wow, that's too big. Let me make it smaller. Pinch it together. I'm going to put him in this tree. And let's see. I'm pressing the yellow square. It has 2 squares. And nothing's happening. Let's see. Well, this button it's just drawing more and more circles. Let's see, undo, 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 undo. Undo this yellow circle and these white circles. So let me try again. Well, it looks like I'm not going to be able to copy the owl. Oh, I did it! So now I have 2 owls after all that work. So I want to make a little one and a big one. Now I have 2, a mama and a baby. And let's see. So I noticed that there was the same symbol of a picture in a frame. And I want to choose a photo of me. And I'm thinking about a winter night. There, I'm down in the bottom, thinking about a winter night. What else? I can take a new picture. So I'm going to put the baby back up in the tree. This is the picture I was taking earlier. And the mama looking at the baby, she's saying, "Get down from there." Take the picture. Use the photo. And then that's what the Baba is thinking about. That time the baby was up in a tree, but I didn't change the background because that's a different app. Let's see, the last thing I need to do is write my name. Dadonda. Change it to blue. Let's see, I can change the font. Ooh, this one. Done. And then I'll put it here. Let me see. I'm going to press this little pencil. Oh, that lets me edit it. I need a different color blue because we can barely see. What about this blue? Yeah, that's better. And I am finished. So the only thing you need to do after you've finished your picture is press this arrow or plus sign, and it is white and ready for the next person who can come right up and write their name. They can add a picture from before or take a new one. speech bubble because I saw some speech bubbles. Oh, I'm gonna add a thought bubble. And maybe so fun with an exclamation point. Make it blue so it matches and put the words inside the thought bubble. And wait, let me change the background. Change the background to, oh, there's lots. Oh, just nighttime. Oh, it's winter, guys. It's winter. And, oh, I forgot this one is a microphone. So you can press it and record your voice and listen back. So fun, guys. Let's listen. So fun, guys. Wait, I dropped something on the floor. Let me re-record it. I'm just going to press this X. Press the microphone again. So fun, guys. Listen back. Now I can play it. So fun, guys. And that's all you need to do. Press the plus sign and it's ready for the next person. You can make so many different creations with my story. Guys, what's your story going to be about?